Ụmụnne m njem ọ na-ekele m n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko onye nji maka ya wee bịa bụ JPAC, maka na achọrọ m ibi okwu gbasara uche ọkụkọ owe. Biko achọrọ m ka ị na-anya na this write up nọ n'elu ebe a. This write up nọ, biko na-anya ọfụma, and achọrọ m ka ịgụọ ihe ọ denya, ihe JPAC dị na the caption, and also look at the picture very well. Then when you now look at it very well, you will now realize that na JPAC amaliye. JPAC will uche ọkụkọ. Sorry to use that word, but this is exactly who you are. Imachali, honestly. Ndị mmadụ na-abịa online na-agwa gị okwu anyhow, na-ekwu okwu na imelọ nke imere mmadụ ihe ị na-ekwu okwu ka onye na-amachali ihe. Ọ dịka gasị na ha dị stupid ma na ha amaghị ihe ha na-akọ. But this is exactly who you are. This is exactly who you are. I've come to realize that now you can't do without dragging pastors and Christians online. You cannot eat and feel satisfied or stay a day, one full day, without dragging pastors and the Christians online. You know, sometimes I wonder the kind of Christian able. I wonder the kind of Christian a Christian able. I'm not judging you, but there's some things always someone walk up in like this. I'll be me myself, I'll be wondering, kill the madoya. Is it that now will somebody need advice, or is it that he cannot use his brain, or is it that now we make it like him go before? As in, I'll be just be thinking it will go before, then the message watch tegi, because that's now you go up before that alien name, we go before we get make a tear or have a art because somebody may go that can go up, especially during Harmattan. People that all go catch down, or no kata again. That is exactly what is happening to JPAC right now. For complete, since he made a wedding again, people have been advising you, calling you, manding up bugging a phone, manding up a delegate, manding a put in your comment section. Nagi happened the church aka. But how I got along? Because now my own I'm that in a church be again, dragging in the church again. Manasna because I always say it in my video. Because you before that nego ni cheap at na Facebook, you get spend the katia, spend the chair my baby, and nobody will come for you. You drag the evangelist Bukobi, drag one year working, who he drag and the Christian. Kendi na drag it online. Mandi no lo ha ije onite ha. Now it on go back. Drag your pastor Adoboye. Okay, this man made now. What kind of write up will be enka? Koni man juche give malo that na okay, oh yeah no, this pastor now organ obodo na blue, and he feel like dressing just like Moaketa now. I'm in Nigeria, in Ghana. Then I feel like wearing Ghana's clothes, like their cultural wear, where they say picture. That doesn't mean that none nefe. For example, na nefe alosi. That doesn't mean that none nefe alosi. It doesn't mean that. Or like you may no see obodo ibu Nigeria kita poor. Ga obodo also. This is exactly what happened. He now travel outside his own country, and decided to dress that way. A turn upside down. Then be na your capture where you say your write up without me feeling like me all the go be satisfied. JPAC, wake up because you are still sleeping. Ndị bega have to go the sins. Your mentality, sometimes you don't use your brain. You don't use your brain. You don't use your brain. And the worst part is that you don't listen to anybody, and you have never for once to know, okay, ka m nyegodo onwe m ndụmọdụ, ka m bakpogodo onwe m for complete one full day, nyegodo onwe m ndụmọdụ without just chekigodo ihe niile ị na-eme online, cheke the kind of agwa the pastors na-drag, ihe ha megoro gị, nothing. Iwe obi Matthias, the kind of heart Matthias we, that is the kind of heart iwe obi ofu, like amaghị m otu m ga-esi tinye ya ka ndị mmadụ ghọta ya, but ihe bụ envy, bitterness inside you. Like I said before in my previous video, asking you that now, it's not by force to go to church, it's not by force to be a Christian. Ọ bụ na ị chọọzi ihe church, o nwere mbọsị nnọkọtalụ since amụm, you know that na ewetara ọya kịta na ọsịa that na ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbụ a Christian agbagbuo gị, mana ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbụ a Christian ebe ego ofu ụkwụ. That such thing have never happened. I've never heard. But nke gị, amalọ m, ada force gị. Face your front now. Isi na ịchọọzi ya ụka, face your front. Mewe omenala gị, nobody, you owe nobody any explanation. But coming online every day, dragging pastors, writing nonsense online, that is why people are dragging you up and down. That is the bad character of you. A man know without a drag on the pastors, without a drag of Christianity. N'ụlọ ụwa gị na face front gị, n'ụlọ ụwa gị omenala gị. I am all fully that no omenala ka ekwu. Mana nke a bụ ị na-aza Christian. Ị na-aza na ibe Christian. Ma still yet, that thing now you feel like you na worship. Imam mekwe gị focus o. Ihe na-agagharị online bụ na-achọgharị ndị ị ga-akpụ n'ọnụ, na-achọgharị ndị ị ga na-agwa okwu anyhow, na-drag anyhow. Ruo Christian mee gị. Hapụ ndị chọọchị ligoro, hapụ ndị Christianity ligoro ka elie ha. Yes, a brainwash guy, like you people always say, ndị ọcha. Yes, a brainwash guy. This is our own choice. This religion is our own choice. Religion is not by force. Nke ọbụla you feel like nature ime is our own choice. Like ndị eliri ndị otu, ihe a choice anyị that no ya aka iche ife. That want to serve a living God. But ọ bụrụ na ichi ife alụsị apịlaapị, fine and good, gawa, nobody even care. Ịpụ ọkịta, wee man ịpụ. Biko, drag is the pastor that the Adeboye did not do anything wrong na this dressing ya now. He did nothing wrong. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. That not be pastor doesn't mean that no man dress kezafia or man dress in a cultural way. No. Na ịghọta ihe nke gị, ọ na-adị iche. Hapụ ịghọta ahụ. We Christianity, we understand, like more aghọta. If I feel like nanchi dress na culture ndị Yoruba, I can do that and snap picture. The same thing in that was melt and snap a picture, post it. But that doesn't mean that nambo a Muslim or nambo yano. Nah, not for you. Because you can subscribe or comment, like, managing all your notification. I can say again.